Have you heard about the baked feta pasta? It's the latest food craze that's taken social media by storm. It's the recipe everyone is making. From home cooks to professional chefs, everyone is trying their hand at this delicious dish. This simple pasta dish took the internet by storm. With just a few ingredients, you can create a meal that's both impressive and incredibly tasty. It all started on TikTok. A few creative foodies shared their versions of the baked feta pasta, and it quickly went viral. People shared videos of themselves making it. The trend spread like wildfire, with countless variations and personal twists on the original recipe. And then, everyone wanted to try it too. Friends and families gathered to enjoy this delightful dish together. The best part? This recipe is super easy. You don't need to be a master chef to make it. Even if you're new to cooking, you can make this dish. Just follow the simple steps, and you'll have a delicious meal in no time. Get ready for a flavor explosion. The combination of creamy feta, juicy tomatoes, and perfectly cooked pasta is simply irresistible. This pasta is creamy, cheesy, and oh so delicious. It's no wonder it became a sensation overnight. So why not give it a try and join the trend? Ready to cook? Let's dive into a simple yet delicious recipe that will impress everyone. You only need 5 main ingredients. It's that simple. Here's what you'll need to create a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for any occasion. Cherry tomatoes. These add a burst of sweetness and color. They're juicy, vibrant, and bring a fresh taste to the dish. Feta cheese. This is the star of the show, bringing all the creamy, cheesy goodness. Its tangy flavor complements the sweetness of the tomatoes perfectly. Olive oil. A drizzle adds richness and helps everything bake beautifully. It enhances the flavors and gives a lovely texture. Salt and pepper. Season to your taste. These basic seasonings bring out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Pasta. Choose your favorite shape. Penne, rotini, and fusilli work great. The pasta serves as the perfect base, absorbing all the delicious flavors. With these 5 simple ingredients, you can create a dish that's not only easy to make, but also incredibly satisfying. Let's get cooking! Let's get cooking! Today we're diving into a delicious and simple baked feta pasta recipe that's sure to impress. It's a perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and savory flavors that will transport you straight to Flavor Town. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Grab a baking dish and add a generous amount of cherry tomatoes. These little gems will burst with flavor as they roast. Next, take a block of feta cheese and place it right in the middle of the dish. The feta will melt and mix with the tomatoes, creating a creamy sauce. Drizzle everything generously with olive oil. This will help the tomatoes roast beautifully and the feta to become wonderfully creamy. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. This simple seasoning will enhance the natural flavors of the tomatoes and feta. Now, pop the dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. The tomatoes will start to burst, and the feta will turn soft and golden. You'll know it's ready when the tomatoes are bursting with juices, and the feta is soft, creamy, and golden brown on top. The aroma will be irresistible. While the feta and tomatoes are baking, cook your pasta according to the package directions. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, drain and set aside, ready to be mixed with our delicious baked feta and tomatoes. Section 4. The Big Smash, creating the creamy sauce. Here's where the magic happens. Take the baking dish out of the oven. Be careful, it's hot. Now use a fork to gently smash the feta and tomatoes together. This creates the most amazing creamy sauce. The feta melts into the tomatoes, creating a beautiful pink hue. Section 5. The perfect pasta toss. Add the cooked pasta right into the baking dish with the feta and tomato sauce. Mix it all together until the pasta is fully coated in that delicious sauce. Want it extra creamy? Add a splash of the pasta water. The starchy water helps to create an even silkier sauce. Section 6. Ready to enjoy and share, and that's it. You've made the famous baked feta pasta. Serve it hot, garnished with fresh basil leaves for extra flavor. This dish is delicious on its own. You can also pair it with a simple side salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to take a picture. Share your culinary masterpiece on social media before you dig in. Section 7. Join the feta fun. This recipe is all about having fun in the kitchen. It's so easy and delicious, anyone can make it. Try the hashtag Feta Pasta Challenge and share your version of this viral sensation.